welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite Mary J Black and Miss Muhammad in the building, baby. So guys, on today's topic, guys, this makeup is gonna be what? It's gonna be late. It's gonna be what? It's gonna be late. Your favorite baby girl right here, Miss Muhammad, will be transformed into a very gorgeous bridal girl's baby. Guys, a lot of you guys been asking me that Mary J Black, what's that white thing that she normally apply on her face? Guys, you all need to please drop your comment on the comment section and tell me what you think that white thing is. Yeah, that's the topic for today. Just tell me what you think that white thing is. We need to know. You all, let's have a proper conversation on the comment section today. So you all should please stay tuned. Don't forget to watch this video till the end. You need to watch it to the end because you need to learn a lot on this very makeup. It's a colorful makeup look. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Let it go viral, guys. And don't forget to show your baby girls the love. It's still your favorite Mary J Black and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies.